friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting my video, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon and watch my videos. Guys, in this video we will discuss about the online courses which are totally free, or it can be at minimum price, minimum fees, and in this way you can doing your jobs, your business. You can also get admissions in worldwide in famous and well-known universities. You can earn your name, you can make your future bright. In this way it is so easy. That's why we are discussing about this thing. And online courses, which different universities are offering different courses. Here we will I am telling you about accounting and finance. How can you make expertise in this subject? ACCA-X multiple courses. Prerequisites are none. Free certification, no, you will have to pay something. Course creator ACCA, ADX, EpiGym. ACCA-X is an online study program created by ACCA, EDX and EpiGym to help students learn ACCA courses. Globally, they are offering 2 subjects for free in their program, namely accounting to finance and management accounting and intermediate accounting, intermediate financial and management accounting. Other advanced courses are offered in very affordable prices. Guys, I have told these. Which one? Introduction to finance and management accounting and intermediate financial and management accounting. These are totally free, and rest of the courses will be few fees. Of course, if you like the free 2 courses, you can decide if you want to spend some money on further advanced courses or not. All to be accountants should take advantage of the golden opportunity. That's why you should enroll. Introduction to financial accounting. Prerequisites none. Course creator University of Pennsylvania. If you are new to the realm of accounting and finance and are looking for something to get started with, this course created by University of Pennsylvania should give you a kickstart. However, there are 2 options to take this course. Either purchases the course and participate in the quizzes and exams and get certificates in completion, or take the course for free by learning through video lectures or leaving without a certificate. Coursera offers the opportunity to enroll for free if you want to take this course freely. Diploma in accounting and advanced controls and transactions. Accounting is a diverse field. Guys, you know, it is very valuable and very mind-blowing field. People are earning in millions in this field in per month. If you are looking to specialize in business accounting, and then this free diploma with free exam and certification will get you rolling. In this course, you will get in-depth knowledge about transactions, controls and processes that are used to record transactions in businesses. This will not only enable you to take the lead among Course 1 Quick Book Books Pro. Prerequisites none. Course creator Simon says IT. This might be a real eye opener for all accountants, books and bookkeepers out there. If you don't already know, QuickBooks is one of the leading software used for accounting and bookkeeping. If you have very good command on it, then you might not to be too far from getting your dream job. The problem is QuickBooks courses or training can be really expensive, and those who don't have decent income will think twice before you pursuing them. But don't worry, we have got it covered because we have found this free 2-hour course for you guys. Please take admission, take opportunity, get your name. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration's online degree. Prerequisites none. Course creator University of People. Very famous university. This online degree is being offered by University of People, accredited by Distance Education Accrediting Commission for students from all over the world. All over the world, complete tuitioning free. However, there is $60 admission fee, admission free, and $100 exam fee. Both fees, admission exam fees, each course involved. It is ensured where the degree will be accepted in all countries, but since it is accredited with the government institution, it should be accepted anywhere. University of California also recognizes this degree and allows outstanding students to transfer their credits. And now we are discussing about human resources, HR. HR is very mind-blowing department. This department have office job preparing to manage human resources. Prerequisites are none. Course creator University of Minnesota. University of Minnesota has created a free course for students who want to pursue their careers in human guys. You have seen different courses, and these courses are very free, and you know, if you take these courses free, you can groom yourself. Definitely you will groom your expertise, and every person without expertise, without experience in any field, he is equal to raw material. He has no value. Then make your value, make your expertise, and participate practically in the field. Stay with us. In next videos, you will also see very mind-blowing subjects, and take the opportunity. Okay, take care.